Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a new character for this one shot that we're doing, or for any Roll20 character building that we're going to be doing. This is just a quick tutorial. It's going to be using the 2024 rules, and we'll walk you through the easy way to build a character that way. It used to be called the Character Mancer. It's now the Character Builder, I guess. You'll see how we do it. We simply get into the Roll20 game itself, click on the character. We're going to call it, I don't know, DM's character, whatever. I'm just going to make sure it's in everybody's journals, and I'm going to be the one that can edit and control it, okay? We'll add the avatar and the default tokens in a minute, but let's just create that. When we do that, it does create this, it takes you through the walkthrough. We're going to build a new character. We're going to create a relatively simple one. You'll see if you've got the 2024 compendium and character sheet as the default, or as an option for this, for Roll20, you should be able to see your 2024 or your non-2024 class as well. So we're going to choose a barbarian. We're going to choose a 2024 one, and you can see what it tells you. It's giving you by level all the cool things, everything that you get for part of that level. So level 1, your strength, save, proficiency, hit dice, danger sense, reckless attack, great. And then it's got all the subclasses. So I've got like I've got the old Xanathar stuff. I've got like the old player's handbook as well. But we also have the newer stuff. So players have a Wild Heart, World Tree, all these different subclasses we can do. Let's just choose a regular Path of the Berserker. Well, we're not going to choose it just yet. It's just telling you what's available. Okay. So once we choose the Barbarian, which we've done, we select the class here, and then we go and say, okay, well, what do we want to do? In level 1, there is, you get to choose your weapon mastery. Let's make it a great axe, of course, and let's give him javelin. So he's really good in those. Click next, and then we're going to choose your species. So we're going to make the sort of big bashing character, an orc. Tells you what bonuses it gets for that species. Extra speed, base walk speed, adrenaline rush, dash actions, bonus action, dark vision, relentless endurance, great. And then a background. This is where things are a little bit different in 2024. So you get a number of feats and extra, usually in what do you call it? An ability score improvement from you based on your background. So it'll tell you everything that's there. These are things for a criminal. These are things for the entertainer. I'm going to choose a farmer. Just for fun. You get extra bonus abilities, origin feat, and background proficiency, which we will get to select right here. We don't select it. It gets automatically added. The farmer ability scores, when we get to the ability score screen, that's when we can go and add those additional scores. So let's do that. You get the tough feat. As a farmer, which is kind of cool. I'm going to let's just use standard array. You can do point by whatever you want. We're going to put a whole bunch of strength, then constitution, then dex, then wisdom, charisma, and intelligence. Charisma and intelligence. Or charisma, intelligence. Great. And then, as a farmer, let's go add to strength. Great. And let's add to con. Let's add another one to con. Boom. So we got some pretty good, this is a pretty good beefy barbarian. You can choose your proficiency skills. Let's do survival, and as a farmer you get animal handling and nature, survival, and intimidation. How about that? You know what? No, let's go add athletics instead. That makes sense. Okay, so those are our extra skills and proficiencies. This gives you the full list. We're going to go to next. Equipment, we're going to just use a great axe, hand axe. It's got a little bit of cash. We can, as a farmer equipment, you also get a sickle, carpenter's tools, etc., and some extra money. So it basically loads your starting inventory, which is great. We go next, and then let's just, if you want to add alignment, let's make a chaotic good, I guess, lifestyle. I'm going to give modest lifestyle. You can enter anything else you want here as well. But they definitely, you need to choose your languages. So we're going to have common, and I think we just do orc, of course. And then we can add this. We can add this in later, but in general, this is the place where you finish it up. View the character. That's what you are. Save and exit. Okay, so here's our character. You can close the character. Boom, there it is again, right? So if we want to go, and for this particular adventure, we're giving everyone a common magic item. So what we can do is in the compendium, let's do a, I don't know, what are we going to do? Not a staff. I'm actually not sure. Let's say I want to add something. I want to add something. So let's add a javelin, okay? I actually do want to add a javelin, so. This is really cool. What we can do is in our inventory on our sheet here. So we get hand axe, great axe. Let's make that all available. Those are going to be usable right now. But I'm going to have a javelin. I'm going to drag and drop it onto my equipment, and you can see javelin's been successfully added. I'm going to add. Let's have like three of them, and they cost 5 silver. Oops. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I can do that. So yeah, I'm gonna have 3 javelins. They cost 5 silver pieces. So that means I need to subtract 1.5 from my gold. Let's see if my gold's here. Oops. Can I change this? I guess. Oops. There we go. So and 5 silver pieces. There we go. Okay, and I've got 3 javelins. Fantastic. So this is my character. Now I can use this character as I need to. You will also, you'll also be able to change the. Oh, hang on. Here we go. Let's change our avatar. I'm going to just choose an orc. There we go. Barbarian. We can also have a token, which I will go and add to everybody's character sheet as well. And you can then use that token. For now, I'm just going to put that on here. And you can see me move this character around. What I will do is I'll go and add a proper token, and then it'll be a lot easier to use during our adventure. So that's it for now. And if you got any questions, just ping me directly in Discord or any other way that you can get in touch with me. Thanks a lot.